We are in EMO booth introducing Mega TERA series with FANUC 0 IMF Plus control. The performance and feature with FANUC control are basically the same as with other control. The standard spindle is 15,000 RPM, offering 22 kilowatts for Mega series and 33 kilowatts for TERA series. Machines are equipped with 15 inches touchscreen monitor, tilting in swiveling panel, DYNAMICS HMI, Renishaw cycles and thermal compensation. Welcome to visit us at the Hall 15, booth 22, and learn more about microdynamics machines with FANUC control.